Oh, wow. I guess it all really started nung after namin makwento yung multo. Like, third day siguro, yun ata yung nagkwento kami ng multo. Then, the fourth day is when she approached me. Then, we started talking about, nagkikwento ako about sa family ko. Then, she just listening to me. And I feel like, sobrang sarap magkwento pag alam mo yung taong like interested in listening to you. Siguro naging close talaga kami dahil, ano talaga, it's because she approached me first. Kasi I feel like, I wouldn't have done that. Feel ko lang, sa first week. Pero, eventually, I will. Pero, I'm really grateful that I met her. She like made my stay sa house even easier. Kasi sobrang dami ko rin nami-miss sa outside world. And lagi niya lang ako ni-reassure. Nung natawag na ako, when I knew that I was evicted, I went to her right away because I saw her face, it really broke down. At I felt really bad because I broke my promise. Kasi I promised to her na it would be the final duo. Pero now na hindi na siya matutuloy, I'm really sad. Kasi sinasabi niya pa sa akin dun sa araw na yun na yung maglalakad pa tayo sa garden area mamaya. And sabi ko, yeah, of course. And since now na I saw her break down, like super, I feel so sad na hindi ko siya maka-comfort, hindi ko siya ma-reassure. Pero, yun naman, her friends are there for her. But I reassured her that I'm always gonna support her no matter what. Outside, kung nasan man ako, I'll always watch her every single day. And I reassured her na I'll wait for her outside. And sabi ko sa kanya, I know you're gonna do great here. So, ayun talaga. Parang pinapagaan ko lang yung pakaramdam niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, kaya mo to, last push. I know you miss your family, but I assure you that they miss you too. Pero, you just have to keep fighting. At sobrang nalungkot talaga ako after I saw her jump on the bed and just started breaking down. I'm just really sad that I can't be there for her